Hellcat.
Everyone, today I am going to explain you an interesting poem, The School Boy. It has been composed by William Blake. Okay, the speaker of this poem is a schoolboy who loved to rise in summer morning when birds are singing on the trees. But he doesn't like to go to school, which pulls all his happiness and joy. He is tired and even puzzled under the strict supervision of his teacher. Okay, so let's start now. I love to rise in a summer morning when the birds sing on every tree. The distant huntsman winds his horn and the skylark sings with me. Oh, what sweet company. Okay. So in this stanza, the schoolboy likes to rise in summer morning when the birds are singing on every tree, when the hunter blows his clarion from a distant field. He likes to listen the song of skylark. Skylark is a bird. He wants to sing with the skylark. In brief, the nature seems to offer a sweet company. Okay, next, but to go to school in a summer morn, oh, it drives all joy away. Under a cruel eye outworn, the little ones spend the day in sighing and dismay. Drives means destroy, outworn means unkind watch, and sighing means deep breath, and dismay means disappointment. Okay, so but he doesn't like to go to school in summer morning. Okay, it makes him sad. He hates going to school because of his cruel teacher. There the small children spend the day from morning to evening and get disappointed. Okay, next, aha, then at times I dropping sit means head down, and spend many an anxious hour, nor in my book cannot take delight, nor sit in learning's bower, won't throw with the dreary shower. Okay, so in this stanza the poet says, sometimes the boy sits for hours with his head hanging down. He finds no joy in reading his book. The school is a cheerless place for him. He gets fed up with the shower of words from his teacher. Okay, next, how can the bird that is born for joy sit in a cage and sing? How can a child, when fears annoy, but droop his tender wing and forget his youthful spring? Okay, in this stanza, the poet compares himself to a bird who is born free to fly and enjoy life. He can't sing in a cage. The boy has the feeling of being a prisoner at school. He is all the time afraid of the teacher. Okay, as a caged bird, he lets his wings lay down and forgets to share the joy of spring. Okay, next, oh father and mother, if birds are nipped and blossoms blown away, and if the tender plants are stripped of their joy in the springing day by sorrow and care's dismay, how shall the summer arise in joy or the summer fruits appear. Okay, so at last the poet says, the poet calls upon the parents not to be so harsh or cruel to the children. School going kids are as delicate as birds and flowers. They need fresh air and free movement to grow healthy and happy. Okay? Cares and sorrow will only rob them of their birth right. Okay? If a plant is denied air and is kept in dark, it won't grow well and never bear fruit. Okay? So it means he tried to make understand his parents that if a budding child is picked and swept off in the early stage of life, where is no one to care for, then how he could grow in mature plant. Okay, so I think you will have understood the poem. Okay, thank you for watching the video. Please like the video and subscribe my channel.